Hi, I'm gonna show you a solution I built some time back. It's called Days Unbroken, and it's a site where you can claim a date in support for Ukraine. So all the money that you pay to purchase a date is transferred to different projects in support for Ukraine. What we're looking here is the actual site. So this is recorded on the 19th of February 2025. So it's the selected date. You can see that we have a purchase date on the 11th of December. So that date is already bought, and the idea is that you buy a date and then you can show it for your friends or just keep it for yourself to have that specific date because it might mean something for you and at the same time you support Ukraine. So the dates are counted back towards the full-scale invasion of Ukraine on the 22nd of February 2022. So today, the 19th of February, it's 1092 days since the full-scale invasion. So to buy this date, you would have to pay €10. So what happens is if I'll try to buy this date, I'll get a purchasing workflow. So this is integrated to Stripe, so the money are automatically transferred directly over to my account, and then depending on which Ukraine currently supporting, I transfer the money over there. So we can see here the latest purchased dates as well, and when you're purchasing a date, you can actually add some text as well. So we can see that, for example, this one, I bought myself the 1st of August 2023, when me and my son ran 8 times 10 kilometers during 24 hours, and we raised the amount of €7,000 during that event. So a good event, and again, thank you for everybody who supported us doing that. So going back here now, this is the landing page, and it's not very much more than that. I'm going to take you over to the admin interface as well. And what you can see here is there is this message is currently under review for content approval. So as part of the solution, and this is with a lot of Russian bots and similar, these types of sites do get a lot of bad traffic, and so I implemented a content approval review process as well. So if you write something that is okay, it wouldn't get stuck in the filter, but this message I have intentionally added some text to show you guys how that works. So in the menu here as well, we have some latest update. So as part of the solution, I also implemented a type of blog feature, so we can add text or information to viewers or people supporting this site to tell them where the money is going and stuff like that. Obviously, we have a about page, that writes about the site and why we're doing it. You have the possibility to contact us. Again, I added a reCAPTCHA to minimize the bot traffic here as well, and I'll show you where that ends up. I'm currently logged in. This is why I see my profile, and also I'm admin, so that's why we see the admin as well. So let's take a look at my profile. So in my profile, you have the possibilities to set a new password. That's good. And then you see your dates, which you've purchased, and you also have the possibility to view them, obviously, and then you can edit the message down here if you like that as well. So that's everything about your profile. If we take a look at the admin page, so the admin page, you have a couple of different options in this view. So we have flagged messages, which I was talking about before. So here we can see that the 3rd of May, we have a flagged message which says World Press Freedom Day, and the thing that probably triggers the flagging here is the kill, which says it's severity high, and this is the category is violence. The interesting thing about this is the flagging and everything else. The entire site actually is built based on me prompting AI. So even the moderation here is the logic behind it is nothing that I've set up. I've told the during prompting that I wanted this type of feature, and then it implemented it all by itself. So this is quite cool. So I can approve it or reject it. If I approve it, the text will show up. If I reject it, it will remove the text, and the date will still be owned by the user, but the description added by the user will not be shown for the general public. So that's how that works. Then we have the set date prices. The default price is €20, but for different dates, you might want to set some other amount. So maybe the default price was 10, as the 24th of February wasn't set. So I can set the price to 200 for the 24th of February. And if we go back to the site and select 24th, you'll see that it's €100. And this is basically my idea that specific dates might be more, have a higher price simply. 3 year since the full-scale invasion, it's important for a lot of people, so I think that it's natural to set a higher price, and obviously the entire €100 will go to supporting Ukraine in their battle against the Russians. Okay, so that's the set price, and then we have article management. So this is where I add new articles. I set a article subject and then the article text, and I can also have a URL to an image. So we see that how I've added these different blog posts. Then we have user management. So I, as an admin, I can add or I can remove or edit users. And again, it's you register as a user when you want to purchase a date, and when you purchase a date, you add your email address, and obviously, again, people could misuse this by adding some text and stuff like that is inappropriate, or in other ways try to tamper with the system. So I can manually override and delete users if I want to. Then at the bottom here we have contact messages. So you saw that we had the reCAPTCHA, and so basically here's a lot of demo messages, and as you can see, we see the different messages, and I, as an admin, can then go in and go through these and reply manually to these. I haven't implemented a feature of sending text from this solution. So again, this is the entire site, and the entire admin interface is built with AI, and this solution is prompted. So it's it's a lot of these features are like minimal viable products. So it's very rudimentary. It works, but there's no fancy features in here except the flag message thing, which I think is pretty cool. So again, Days Unbroken, a site fully built in AI by prompting from my side. I haven't done any major coding at all. I've done some text changes and stuff like that inside the code, but nothing else. And again, the site main objective and only objective is to support Ukraine. So please go ahead and test the solution, both from see what's possible to build with AI without coding, and also at the same time claim a date that is important for you, at the same time support Ukraine. Thank you very much for spending time with me and seeing me go through the Days Unbroken. Thank you very much.